Thumb arthritis. Treatments and causes. If you're suffering from thumb arthritis, you're not alone. This painful condition affects approximately 3% of the American population over the age of 50, making it the most common form of hand arthritis. What causes thumb arthritis? How are its symptoms best managed? How can it be prevented? This video will explore the answers to these questions and more as we take an in-depth look at thumb arthritis and its available treatments. An overview of arthritis. Arthritis is inflammation of one or more joints. There are many different types of arthritis, but osteoarthritis is one of the most common forms. The cartilage in your joints, particularly in your fingers, hands, knees, hips, and spine, breaks down over time due to stress or injury. This can lead to joint pain and swelling as well as reduced mobility. Excessive wear on a joint from repetitive motion may eventually lead to arthritis as well. Treatments and home remedies. If you suffer from thumb arthritis, there are numerous home remedies that can help you with your discomfort. For example, there are some people who find relief by rubbing their thumb and index finger together. Others have had success with using a humidifier or an air purifier to create more moisture in their home's environment. Still others have used products containing capsaicin, which is the chemical found in chili peppers, to improve thumb arthritis symptoms. Just be sure not to rub your eyes after handling any of these products. Exercises to improve grip strength. There are some simple exercises that you can do to help improve your grip strength. Try gripping a baseball, tennis ball, or any other spherical object in each hand as tightly as possible. If you don't have any of these objects on hand, you can also try squeezing a stress ball. Hold on to each item for at least 20 seconds. As time goes on, squeeze it for longer periods of time to build up your strength even more. Lifestyle changes that can help thumb arthritis. Thumb arthritis can cause a whole range of issues that may be prevented or minimized with lifestyle changes. Many over-the-counter painkillers will help relieve symptoms, as well as braces that can help stabilize your thumb joint. If you experience discomfort in your thumb joints, it's important to minimize repetitive stress. Exercise caution if you have swollen fingers or limited range of motion, and consult your doctor immediately if you notice any signs of infection. How stress influences your joint health. If you're under a lot of stress, it can be difficult to eat right and stay in shape. This is why people who are stressed often find themselves becoming overweight or even obese. Unfortunately, being overweight also puts your joints at risk of problems. A common place where many individuals develop joint issues is their thumb. In the case of thumb arthritis, your thumb can become inflamed from years of use. Joint pain that keeps you up at night should never be ignored. Surgery as a last resort. That said, surgery as a last resort is always an option. You may be a candidate for thumb arthritis surgery if you've tried non-surgical methods without success, or they haven't worked at all, or you have progressive degeneration of your joints, or you have severe pain in your fingers. If you're interested in thumb arthritis surgery, consult with your doctor about options for treatment. I hope this video about thumb arthritis causes and treatments was able to help you.